Okay, a curve in the xy plane is parametrically given by, and it says for t is positive number. So they want me to find out what the second derivative of y with respect to x at the point 880. So I want to point out, looking at this, you got to start taking derivatives, by the way. So let's write this down. And I'm going to say x is equal to t squared plus 2t dx dt, relatively simple, is 2t plus 2, or 2 times t plus 1. Let's do dy dt with the understanding that y is equal to 3t4 plus 4t cubed. What do you get there? You get 12t cubed plus 12t squared. Well, I'm going to put down 12t squared, and then you get t plus 1. Now, dy dx will be equal to the ratio dy dt over dx dt. Looks relatively simple. Dy dt is 12t squared, t plus 1. Dx dt was just 2, t plus 1. What's nice about this, cancellations, at least conditionally. And I'm going to say t is not minus 1, t is going to be positive. I don't have to worry about that. And so you can get 6t squared. All right, now let's go into the second derivative. And to do that, I got to write that down. So the second derivative is going to be what? Well, we need to differentiate dy dx, that's going to be 12t, over dx dt, which is 2 times t plus 1. And then the second derivative, is going to be equal to 6t over t plus 1. Now, here's where the problem sets in. I have to, get this point over here, which means x is 8 and y is 80. Now, I think I'm going to do the x, so I think the x is easy, but I'll still check it. So I'm going to say 8 equals t squared plus 2t. Certainly, it's quadratic in form, so let's write this down. So I'm going to say 0 equals t squared plus 2t minus 8. I'm going to factor that, and that would give you t 4, 2, plus minus. So t could equal 2, or the t could be minus 4. Now, I know it's not minus 4, by the way. Why is that? They tell me t is positive. So t is 2. Let me just check it out, though. And I'll check it out here. I want to make sure I get 80. So you get 3 times, well, 2 to the 4th power, 2 times 2 is 4, 816, plus 4 times 8. I'm just making sure this is 80, by the way. This is 48 plus 32. And 48, 32 is 80. So t is 2. So let's go back over here and evaluate this at 2. So I'm going to evaluate the second derivative at the point 880, which means t is equal to 2. What do you get over here? 12. 2 plus 1 is 3. So the answer should be 4. Look at the key. Is that there for you? It's choice A. Correct choice is A. Thank you.